Hey viewers, you are watching this video and I am Shudha. The group of 7 nations on Sunday strongly condemned Iran's recent attacks across the Middle East. They described the strikes on civilians and the key infrastructure as unjustifiable. In a joint statement, G7 foreign ministers representing Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the United Kingdom and United States, along with the EU High Representative, expressed solidarity with affected countries. The statement said the G7 supports its regional partners facing attacks by Iran and its proxies. We condemn in the strongest terms the regime's reckless attacks against civilians and civilian infrastructure, including energy facilities. The statement read, countries targeted including Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE, Jordan, and Iraq. The G7 said these actions threaten both regional and global security. They urged Iran to immediately halt military activities. The group stressed the importance of protecting critical maritime routes, particularly the Strait of Hormuz. They said global supply chains and energy markets must remain secure. The G7 also reaffirmed readiness to take necessary measures, including releasing energy reserves as decided by the International Energy Agency on March 11. The statement that Iran must not develop nuclear weapons, the G7 called on Tehran to halt its ballistic missile program and destabilizing activities and cease violence against its own people. At the same time, the G7 emphasized the right of affected nations to defend themselves. We support the right of countries injustifiably attacked by Iran on its proxies to defend their territories and protect their citizens. The statement added. The group also condemned recent attacks in Iraq, particularly those targeting diplomatic facilities, energy infrastructure, US forces, and countered ISIS coalition's personnel. They described the strikes in the Iraqi Kurdistan region as brazen and destabilizing. The G7 warned that Iran's action not only threatened the countries involved but also posed border risk to global peace and security. They urged an immediate and unconditional cessation of all such attacks. This statement underscores rising international concern about Iran's regional activities. The G7 called for restraint and stressed the importance of global cooperation to prevent escalation. Officials noted that protecting energy supplies, maritime routes, and civilian infrastructure is essential for the stability of international markets. The G7 reaffirmed that the world must stand united against attacks on civilian populations and strategic facilities. The ongoing situation highlights the fragile security environment in the Middle East and the potential consequences for global trade and energy supplies. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.